Hello students, today I am here to discuss with you the chapter 2 of class 9 maths, exercise 2.4. It is about the algebraic identity required. Most of you have done in class 8. So these are the identity a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a plus a into x plus b, then a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, factor formula, a cube minus b. These three are the factor formula, okay? This one, two, three are called factor formula. These are the others are product formula. You will just memorize this formula. I have to use this in the exercise. So can we start now? All the sums to not okay, but see I will give maximum sums. One number one is we have to using identity find the product. First was x plus 4 into x plus 10. See it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, this formula. So we use this formula x square into a plus b means 4 plus 10 into x means x only, a into b 4 into 10. So this is x square plus 14x plus 40 answer. You need to find the product by using the formula. Question number 2 is also same, but 3 are different formula. So 2 I can give you can do yourself as the exercise. This is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5, same thing only. 1, 2, 3. This is also in the form of x plus a into x plus b, but b is minus 5. Okay, so we will use it x squared plus a plus b, to b is already minus no here, into 3x plus a into b, what will write? 4 into minus 5. Okay, just simplify now. 9x squared. See, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3x. Understood? 4 minus 5 minus 1 into 3 minus 3x plus minus minus 20. So same formula only, but b is minus 5 here. Okay? Question number 4, it will be different identity here. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, and we have the identity a square minus b square. So y to the power 4 minus 9 by 4 will be the answer. Same thing number 5 can be done yourself. Question number 2 is evaluate using identity. Number 1 is 103 into 107. So I try to express this in the form of 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. This is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So formula is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. This is 4 0 I will get. 7 plus 3 10 into 100 1000 plus 21. Then multiply and then we will add no here 2 1 2 1, you will get 2 1 only. This is what 0 0 0 1 0 1 and 1. This is the answer using the identity. Okay. Then one more sums for this number. This number 2 you can do yourself. Number 3 104 into 96. So you can write 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. This is 96, no? This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You have the identity a square minus b square. So 4 0 minus 16. Just need to subtract carefully. 10 minus 6 4. This is 9 minus 1 8. This will become 9 and 9. Okay. Then go to number 3 now. Question number 3, factorize using form identity. 3 number 1, I can explain you 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. This is 3x whole square. And this is a square plus b square. What should be here? 2 into a into b. You will check it, is it 6xy? So this is in the form of 3x plus y whole square. Question asking factorize means what into what? The power 2 means same thing 2 times can be written, no? This is the answer. Okay. Then same thing in number 2, number 3 also almost easy only, but let me explain you. Number 3, x square minus y squared by 100. So this is clearly x square. This is can be 10 y by 10 whole square. Then a square minus b square from the a plus b into a minus b will write. Okay, directly I will leave here because you can use it. You can see it. Question number 4 is expand using identity again. So number 1 is x plus twice y plus 4z whole square. It's in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. Here is the formula. So use this a square plus b twice y whole square plus c is 4z whole square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. Okay. Then just simplify x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. Okay, there are many sums here, you know. So all are same formula. So can I give you number 4? This is number 1. I give you number 4. Others are similar, can be done following the same method. Minus 7b minus c whole square. No need to have some different formula for minus. Use this plus formula only. And then okay, otherwise you have many formula. So just to write use this formula only a square. Write down plus only, but since b is negative, so it will be negative inside b square, then minus c square, okay. Then 2 into a into b minus 7b, so we write minus. So that will help you to do this single formula only. 2 into b, which is minus 7b, and c minus c, plus 2 into c into a. So what will get? 9a square plus minus square will be plus only 49b square minus square will be plus only c square plus minus minus 2 3 6 7 42a. We will get and see 2 minus will be negative positive, so plus 2 7 14 BC, and here only 1 minus plus minus minus 2 3 6 c. So this will be okay. Number 6 seems to be a little bit different, so I will explain number 6 also. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Use the same formula only, a plus b plus c whole square. This is a, this is b, this is c. So a square plus, it is negative, so write in the bracket, b square plus c square plus 2 into a, which is 1 by 4a into b, which is minus 1 by 2b, plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c, so minus half b into 1 plus 2 into c into a, 1 into 1 by 4a. Now need to simplify it. 1 by 1, 4 by 16a square minus square a plus 1 by 4b square plus 1. See, when you simplify this 2 to the 4 can be cancelled. What will get? Plus minus minus 1 1 the 1, 2 to the 4, 1 by 4, a into b, a b. Then again when you multiply this 2 will cancel, the plus minus minus, how much will get? B into 1, b only, and this is again cancel, so what will get? 1 by 2a. It will be arranged, you can do right in the one last, but this can also be done. Others are similar, so you will use it. Okay, then can we go to number 5? Number 5. Number 5 is factorize. Number 1 is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. See, these two minus will disturb you. So how will you try it now? Minus 24yz minus 16zx. See, these two terms having z is negative. What is the meaning this? Z is negative, no? It will help you to understand that z is negative. So, we will use this formula only in first order. So, this is twice x whole square plus 3y whole square. See, we should write minus 4 is understood, right? Because the term containing z is negative, that means z is negative. So, we should write minus 4 is square, minus square will be plus only. This is a square plus b square plus a square. Now, just you see, should be 2 into a into b, 2 into twice x into 3y plus 2 into b into c, 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into c into a. C is what? Minus 4z into twice x. Once you check it now, can we take same thing only? So plus minus minus 2 3 is 6 4 is 24yz. Okay. Then this is plus minus minus 2 4 is 16 is the same thing only, but it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice a ca, which is the formula of a plus b plus c, but it is minus only whole square. Question is saying factorize what into what? Power 2 means 2 times. Okay, this is the answer. I need to explain you number is number. This is file number 1 we have done, no? File number 2 also a bit important. What is the question? Twice x squared plus y squared plus 8z squared and minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. 8xz. Again negative is there, no? See, the term containing x is negative, the term containing x is negative, so x can be negative. And you can think other way also. The term containing y negative and z is negative, so both y and z are can be negative. And term having both y and z are positive because minus minus plus. So it can be done in two different ways. But you want to do the, you just see the term containing x is negative, so x is negative. So this is what whole square? Root 2x and minus write down to cope up this negative sign. Okay, this is A. This is B. This is 2 root 2z whole square. Understood this? 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. So 4 to the 8. This is A, B, C. You no need to see here. You can write here the formula 2 into A, which is minus root 2x into B, which is y, plus 2 into B, which is y, and C what? 2 root 2z plus 2 into z, 2 root 2z into x, which is minus root 2x. One time we should check now. We have done same thing. So see here, plus minus minus is here. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 is here, x, y is here. Okay. This is 2 to the 4 root 2 yz already here, plus minus minus. See, root 2 into root 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 zx. So this is minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. The question is factorized, so write 2 times 2 root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z into minus 2 root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. Answer. 6 number is a plus b whole cube formula. Need to expand. So I will here down clear. There are 4 sums. If I will explain you 3 and 4, 6 number 3 and 4, you can easily do 1 and 2. So I am doing 6 number 3. 6 number 3 is what? 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So So we will write here AQ plus BQ plus 3 into A into B into A plus B. So 3 cube into 27 by 8 x cube. 1 cube is 1 only. And here how much we get? 3 3 are 9 plus 9 by 2 x into 3 by 2x plus 1. Now you need to remove this bracket also. Okay, let me just clean this one. This is 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 9 27 by 2 2 4x into x square plus 9 by 2x. This into this only, no? So this is also you can add this and this one in the last, but this is also okay. One is one more only 4 because same thing only, but it is minus. So x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Okay, so this is from a minus b whole cube, all minus. So use this formula AQ minus BQ minus 3 into A into B into A minus B. So how much will get here? X cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 3 to cancel. Okay. So minus 2xy into x. So x into x, what will get? 2x square y minus minus plus. This is 2 to the 4 x in xy into y xy square by 3. So this is the answer. Okay, number 7 now. Number 7, you can go now in number 7. Based on same identity and numerical value. 7 number 1. 99 cube need to find. Now see, it can be 90 plus 9. It can be 90 plus 9, but this will be wrong. You can't, it must not add more than 5. Okay, so better you write 100 minus 1. A minus B equal to the formula AQ minus BQ minus 3 into A into B into A minus B. A minus B equal to formula, no? 1 cube 1 2 0 whole cube will be 2 0 3 times. Minus 1 minus 300 into 100. How many 0? 4 0. Minus plus 300 1 300. Okay, understood? Now we were in the bracket. This is 300 into 100. 3 1 3 2 0 2 0 4 0. This is minus plus 300 into 1 300. So this 2 will be first added. 1 0 0 0 3 and 300 will be here, no? And these 2 again will be added. So 3 0 0 0 1. Now subtract 10 minus 1 9. This will be 9 minus 0 9. This will be what? 2 minus 0 2. This will be 0 minus 0 0. This is 10 minus 3 7. This is 9. Okay. Okay, one more sum we can do here. 2 number. This is 102 whole cube. Simply 100 plus 2 till factor we can add whole cube. So this is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. How much we get here? 1 square 40, no? Plus 8 plus 3 to the 600. Okay, once you write here 100 plus 2. This is how much we get? 140 plus 8 plus 600. You can show the bracket also. 100 plus 2, how much we get? 102. This 140 plus 8 plus multiply here. 6 to the 12, 2 carry 1. 6 0 1. 6 1 just 6. Double 0. Now add it only 0, 8, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 6, 1, 7. Okay? Okay. This is number 7. Now question number 8 is factorize. Factorize. What is number 1? Number 1 is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. See, a plus b whole cube formula, the first form can be little bit different. It can be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. See, this and this are same formula. What is here? A cube plus b cube, you take care, and from these two terms 3ab is common, so let's have what 3 into a plus b. This and this are same formula. So now see here, this is a cube. This is b cube. So this is a and b. What should be here first? 3a square b. So write down 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a this time b square. B is what? B only. So b square. Check it. Are you getting same thing only? 2 square 4, 3 are 12, a square b and 3, this is 2, sorry, 2, okay, 6. So this is twice a plus b whole cube. Question is saying factorize. So whole cube power means same thing 3 times, no? Okay, number 1. Okay, more some I can help you do. U number 5 will be different, look like different. It is based on 27 pq minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Try to explain this in this form, a minus b whole cube form. Now if minus is there, you know what will happen. 1 time minus, then plus, then minus. Okay. So first you write down a cube. This is a 27p cube, no? So what will I? 3p whole cube. And this is 1 by 6 whole cube. We have got a cube minus b cube. We have got a cube minus b cube. What we should write for? Minus 3a square b. 3, this is a square. And b is what? 1 by 6. Then plus 3ab square. 3, what is a? 3p. What is b? 1 by 6, ab square, no, b square. You need to check one time. How much you get? 3, 2 are 6, so 3 square 9 by 2p square, okay? And 3 are 9, 6 square 36, 9 4 are there, so same thing only. This is 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Question is factorized, so write down same thing. Little bit lengthy exercise. Other sums of number 8 can be done. So today till number 8 only. 50% sum we have discussed today. In the next class, I will leave remaining sums. So that's all for today. Bye.